Village collection. Today we're looking at the Batt's laundry room cabinets. I'm going to start out with this upper cabinet in paint grade with the narrow styling rails mitered to the panel. Just like everything else that we do, the fillers are extended an inch so that they can be scribed to the finished wall. We're looking at this cabinet upside down, so the little valance that hides the light up here on the top, that's actually going to be sitting the other way. Other parts that you're looking at right here, this is the bottom skin, and these are the top valances. Come around to this side over here, we have the finished end, and that's extended an inch also. That's just a note for the installer. Make sure that you scribe that to the finished wall. All adjustable shelves on the inside. I'm going to take you around to the other side. And where the washer and dryer goes. This one piece here is the cleat that actually is going to fit to the back wall and the floor so that you can pleat this in place. And again, this style is extended an inch, so make sure you scribe that. Aside from that, just nice generous sized drawers, all solid maple dovetail construction, soft close, just like everything else. Let's go over and look at this side. Upper cabinet. This is the valance, goes in there. They call them the climax. They're like biscuits. That's what secures that in place. This requires an Allen key. And you can feel the grooves right here. We'll ship that with it in there, but just wanted to show you that. Finished sides on both sides. This right here is really cool ironing board, and that swivels out so you can use it in either position, and tucks right in there. Two really big drawers. And here, this goes all the way down to the floor. Again, that'll scribe to the floor. And adjustable shelves inside. Both of these extended style again. All these pilasters that do go to the floor, they're extended 1 inch, so make sure you scribe those to the floor. We're going to get this bundled up and onto the truck, and Ralph will be reaching out to schedule that delivery time. So anyways, thank you very much, and we'll get this out to you. Thank you.